This is the website video for Group 23, featuring Mary Zach Dobler, Devin Myro, Shanam Barshi, and Kyle King. To first create our website, we chose Google Sites from the drop-down menu in our Gmail account. Once at the Google Sites main page, we clicked Create in the top left-hand corner. This button took us to a new prompt where we could select a template, name our site, and select a theme. It also gave us the URL of the site. We then clicked Create again, and this brought us to our new home page. Once at the home page, we had several commands that we could choose in the upper left-hand corner: Edit Page, Add a Page, or More Options. We first went to More Options. The More Options menu let us change the site name, add site categories, add a site notice, or add a site description. And we could also do things like change the themes, colors, and fonts. If we wanted to, we could choose a different theme from this pull-down menu. Once the site was adjusted to the way we want it, we went back to the home screen in order to add sites and add each of our personal pages. Once again, we could either choose to add a page and then edit once we had the page that we wanted. I first clicked Add a Page, and then I could name my page and select where I wanted it to be located. I wanted it to be under Home as a sub-page, and so I chose this. I then wanted to insert the link on the main screen of the home page, so I went to Insert and clicked Link. I obtained the URL of my new site, copy and pasted it into this, and then I named the site under my name, as my name. I then chose Insert once again and chose an image to have with my name on the main page of the site. My name and the link to my page is also located in the navigation bar on the left side of the home screen. Once at my own personal page, I decided that I first wanted to work on the heading, so I went to Format and chose Heading 2. I then went to HTML and found where my name was listed and changed the heading from H2 format to H1. I once again went to Insert and chose an image to put on my personal page. I then edited my page further to add information about myself, my career at UVA, my hobbies, and the schools I've attended. In order to include the schools I've attended, I had to do a table. So I went up to Table in the upper left-hand corner, chose Insert Table, and then chose the amount of rows and columns that would sufficiently work for what I was listing. This is the final product of my table. This is the home screen of our page. It includes each member of the group, their names, and a link to their personal page, as well as the information on the topic of our first group project, which was a CPU, a GPU, and the difference between the two. Now we will look at all of the different personal pages on the site. You can choose these pages by the navigation bar or by the sub-pages which are listed at the bottom of the site. This is Shanam's page. This is Devin's page. This is Kyle's page. And once again, this is my page, the finished product. Now I will discuss features that we did like and didn't like about using Google Sites. We did like how easy it was to access HTML and change the formats. We also liked the table function and how simple it was, and the layout function and the different variety of layouts that it gave us. One thing that we didn't like was how simple Google Sites can be. If you're trying to make a more professional or in-depth page, or have more complicated functions, layouts, or other processes on your site, Google Sites probably isn't the right choice for this. Another thing we didn't really like was the very limited amount of text colors given. Once again, if you're trying to make a very professional, in-depth page, you probably want more color options. Finally, as a special bonus to our site, we added a few fun features, including a Google Calendar, which is convenient for users and people that access the site, and a Group 23 theme song, which is a Christmas song that we embedded from YouTube. Both of these features were very easy to add. We simply went up to the upper left-hand corner and chose Insert, Calendar, and YouTube. As you can see, there are also many other options and things that you can insert and link up to your site. Thank you very much for watching and for a great semester. Happy holidays!